I was walking coming from this side to go to the supermarket. I met this guy. I know it is not recording. I forgot to get the other mobile. I,
And his family keep this version.
okay, not here. Only him. Okay, okay. Anyhow, so this is the house where Pablo Escobar was killed. But it was mentioned in another place.
It's a private tour. You need to leave
Okay.
alone.
Okay, okay. 1 second.
Okay, so
This is where Pablo Escobar was killed. You see it in the movie. I was walking and going. See, I forgot to get the other mobile. Okay, I put out this mobile in the pocket because I have not shaved. I have not taken bath. I thought I'll go to one supermarket here, old traditional supermarket. Then I just came walking here and these people were talking. Okay, this is a private group. And I thought it is some other place. So I've given him my card over there. Okay. Person's number who was speaking in English. His name is also Pablo. I can't believe that this is the house where Pablo Escobar was killed. I came accidentally today to go to one old traditional supermarket. Okay, I looked on the Google map. I had read about this building story. They told there was a Spanish language school. Now it's become a residence and all these things. And this is the road. Okay, so I have not taken bath. Then I thought this supermarket will close up by 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock. So I thought by 2 o'clock, let me come. I found that group of people. He is going around to show more things, but that's a private paid tour. So I took his number. He speaks English, so I can ask him because I always dream about going to those hills over there. See what beautiful place it is. I stay nearby, just 10 minutes from this place. Then I thought someday I will find out all these things about Pablo Escobar because I've seen the 90, the quality of this mobile. See, I forgot and picked up another mobile. Okay, and see how nice this place is. And that is a house on which he was killed. You can watch that in Netflix. I watched one time Netflix 90 serials for 3 days continuously by leaving some major work. By leaving some major business work, I got so interested in that. Okay, I left some major work for a business. I had to go do something. I cancelled it. Okay, and see the houses so beautiful there. And this is the road where he was killed. Okay, there's a lot of places. If I go this Sunday, I thought I'll go to Commune 13. That is the place where the Commune 13. You speak English?
I don't know speak English.
You don't speak. Can I record? Okay, is this a place where Pablo Escobar was killed?
House de Pablo Escobar, yes.
That is the place?
Yes, donde está lettering in...
December 3rd, 1993.
Very.
Okay, that is the day he was killed. December 1st was his birthday. December 3rd he was killed, which he should not have happened to him. I wanted to go on the top of the hills. Can you see that hills over there? Inside this side also there are hills. So I thought I'll walk and come this side. And there were a group of people talking. And you speak English, sir? A little. Oh, little. Is this the road where Pablo Escobar was killed? Yeah. Okay, that is on December 2nd or 3rd? Huh? It was on December 2nd or 3rd, 1993. Am I right? Yeah. Okay, very good. I came accidentally and I met some people who were there. And I want to go on the top of the hills and all. Are there buses over there to go on the top of the hills? Like that hill. What is that hill called? Hill or mountain?
yeah. The Monte Poblado.
Polado. Oh, that is Polado. And this one? Robaldo. Okay, buses goes over there. Do bus go over there? Buses goes to Robaldo. Okay. Huh? Hypo, huh? And that is Pobaldo. And Robaldo. This side is Robaldo. Okay, I want to go. So, thank you very much. Thank you. So, I thought because I want to put a hair dye, for all the gray hairs, and then I thought, that's why I'm not showing on the video. So I thought I was going down, then the Google map showed this side. There's a market over there which is closing right now already. I had come once over here, so I thought all this, first I will focus on making money. Let me focus on making money and establish, let me prepare. There's a lot of work to do with the new business which I've taken, which I took on February of 16th to 19th, the $50 one. Okay, I was sitting and preparing all those things. Then I thought, because this market closes by 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, I thought, let me go here and see, and then come and take put on a hair dye and put on take a bath. Okay, so I look 10 years younger. And then this is the place. You can watch that in the Netflix. He was the biggest drug lord in the world. Total money is made more than 70 billion, 40 billion is what they say during that time. To count for inflation and all, it is much more. Okay, I don't know whether this is the market. Yeah, this is the market. Let me go inside. So, see, things happen. Actually, this side is a very nice canal over there. I think this is the... Here and all, people simply come and dash you. There is no way people will wait for you. So I thought, what is this? La America it is. So what is this market? Traditional market, I thought. I thought I'd come in the morning, but it became 2 o'clock already. So let me go inside. Is the entrance this side or that side? Oh, all this side is non-veg. Okay. So, how strange it was that I took that fellow's number. From him I will ask a lot of details on how to go to the hills and all. See this cherry tomatoes. This also is not a wholesale market. Okay. You know why? Wholesale market will be the cheapest. I don't know what is this. Some kind of green juice. Let me go around. For tourist people it is very nice. See, I kept that mobile for charging, and stupid fellow I am, I took another mobile. Okay. It's already closing. Morning time it will be peak rush. Peak rush it will be. How much is this? Oh, what is it called? It's not arepa? Arepa only? Okay. So, I'm carrying my bag, but lot of fruits I have. Lot of fruits I have in my room. But I want to go to the wholesale market. Wholesale market starts from morning 2 o'clock, 2 a.m. And by 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, it will close off. I am lazy to get up and so once I'll make up my mind to go at morning. These are agarbattis. You speak English? Where does it come from? Where does it come from? Kali. They don't speak English. I hope this is very clear in this particular. This is a very nice design. Very, very nice design. Oh, there. It's a nice place for visitors to shop around. I should have come early, but accidentally I found Pablo Escobar's death place where he was killed. Unfortunately, I got the wrong mobile. The mobile which is not very sharp. There's nothing, all flower shops. Did I go this side that time? So this is cinnamon, but the best cinnamon is from Sri Lanka in the whole world. In the whole world, the best is from Sri Lanka. So, did I go like this? See this kind of how big it is. I want to take, but I want to take it from the wholesale market. It's not ripe. Hello. There's a lot of agarbattis, but hola. You have maca?
Maca.
From where? Peru?
Maca del Perú.
Show me.
¿Ah?
Show me.
¿Te muestro?
Show me. Where is it? Is this a good maca?
Maca peruana.
This is maca.
Esa es la maca. Esta es maca normal, negra.
Oh, maca.
Esta es negra, negra y
Oh, this is
roja.
maca negro.
Maca negra y maca roja.
Okay, how much is this?
¿Ah?
39,000. It's 880 rupees. Now, how many grams? How many gram is this? This is how many grams? So this is 250 grams maca powder, but I don't know whether it's original and pure. In India, 100 grams will be more than 1,000 rupees. It is like ashwagandha, more powerful than ashwagandha. Okay, I'll come back. Wait. What is that?
Más pequeña, negra.
Pure,
Ah,
pure.
esta es la misma, esta es la misma. Y esta es pequeña, más pequeña, negra, más pequeña. Por...
I'll come again later. I'll come later. So, maca is very good. What is this? Looks very frightening. Okay. Just go around. They say this is a traditional market, but it's a very, what to say, very modern market. I asked her for a hair dye. She says it is not there.
No. Ah, no es con él. O sea, yo tengo dos hijos. Y él tiene uno. Ya, pero no, yo la mamá tiene.
So I'm going every lane just to see. How much is this tomatoes?
Tomate, cherry.
Huh? Cherry. This cherry. How much is it? So he says this is a cherry which is cleaning, but he says very. This also is a cherry?
Ualina.
Huh?
Cherry ualina.
Cherry Valina. This is a different kind of cherry. I'll take this too.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. So 2 cherries I took. He says it is 7,000. Is this cheese? Cheese? Cheese. Let me eat the round one first. I'm taking cheese. Very nice. It's only a cheese shop. How much is celery? Is that celery?
Yes.
How much is that?
You want one?
How much is one? I want to know because I've already taken, but I just want to know the price, whether it is very reasonable here. How much is one?
You want small or big?
The big one.
It's 4,000 a kilo.
And the small one? Kilo,
4,000 a kilo.
It's based on kilo. Okay. Yes, I'll take it later. Wait. The cherry is very nice, but it was 7,000 pesos. 7,000 pesos is 1 pound. 7,000 means you take it as 140, 150 rupees for half kg. That's good because we don't get that kind of cherries. These are all planned. Nice fragrance. All foreigners come here. Old markets and all will become a foreign tourist attraction, and then they become expensive. The long one is also very good. You just go around through every lane. Now let me stop it. I went to that La American traditional tourist market. I only took some cherries, yellow color cherries. But now I'm going back. Now it's just about 17 minutes walk from my place, this market. But the interesting thing is, while I was coming in this road, if those people were not standing over there and he was not speaking in English, I would not know that this is the place where Pablo Escobar was killed. He was hiding and he was killed. Okay, I watched it on Netflix and other YouTube videos and all. There are different serials, and the Netflix one is a very good one. And this is the building out next to this white building. See, if those people were not there, I would not even know. And it is near my place. I thought somewhere else he was killed. But one day I'll go all those things. I thought. So this is the place. So what happened was, not this building is changed. Okay. But there was a window like that and he was in a balcony. He was talking to his son. And the police car came here. And the police car which was passing by like this, they had a triangulated signal. The DEA, the American DEA and CIA and the local police, everyone had triangulated the signal and the signal was coming in this area. So then the car, police jeep one of the authorities' jeep was passing like this. So they saw that fellow's window, through the window they saw his face talking to his son. And then it's all built up right now, not this building also. But then, you watch the movie, you watch the Netflix, and he was killed on December 2nd or December 3rd. His birthday was December 1st. People born on 1, 10, 19, 28 are very powerful. Okay. One is Aishwarya Rai and Pablo Escobar. 10 is I do not know who, but I know Abhinandan. Then you know what is 19 is Indira Gandhi. And I think Elon Musk also is 10. Just check Elon Musk birthday. Anyone? Okay. So Elon Musk is 1 or 10, I do not know. But you have to check it. Then you know what? 28 is NTR. So what NTR created was a history. Within 9 months of starting a party, he comes to power. So I do not know how those people went backside this side. I was watching that time, see how nice the houses are all. And that fellow was hiding here only. Pablo Escobar. Before he was killed. So, it's a very nice place. It's just 10 minutes walk from my, 10 or 12 minutes walk from my place. So, instead of going in this road, let me cross this bridge. How nice the infrastructure they have done. I want to go to the hills. I'll plan to go to that. But in 1990, this road was not so neat. I thought he was killed somewhere on the hills or somewhere. Okay. So, it was not known that it was here only. Next time I'll come with a better mobile. This mobile is not very clear.